Hey guys, this is Vic at 6M and here I am stuck in middle of nowhere with a flat tire, as you can see over here, and there's no one around to help. So I think it's a puncture, but and this is a tubeless tire, so the first thing would be to inflate the tire, and this is the perfect time to make a video on the Coido tire inflator. Here it is. This I have purchased from Flipkart, and this costed me around 900 rupees. That's roughly around $15 I say. So here's the unboxing and first use of the Coido tire inflator. So this is our product, the Coido tire inflator. It is DC, it works on DC voltage, and it is 12 volts. It can fill air up to 300 PSI, and it's an air compressor. Okay, so this I have purchased from Flipkart, as I said, and it can be used for tires, balls and other inflatable products. It has a handy torch light as well, as you can see over here, and these are the various products which you can use for. It's here. So without wasting any time, let's just go inside and see what's inside. So here's the actual product. It actually has a handlebar over here, and here's inside here is the motor, that is 12 volt motor, and on the upside you have the gauge for checking out the pressure. It's up to 300, as you can see, and onto the left side you also have the air compressor on off button. Here if you want to switch on, switch off the compressor, here's the button, and here's the light on and off, and flashlight as well. So a very handy product if you're traveling on a long drive with your car. So that's pretty much it about the buttons onto the body of the compressor, and below you have the wire, as you can see. This is the wire, and I think this is the 3 or 4 meters long. You can just remove it, as will be required to be using it. So very long wire, and it has a cigarette type plug, and so it will go inside the car's cigarette plug socket. Onto the back side you have so these are the accessories over here. So as you can see that this is for filling footballs and all, and this is for filling other inflatable devices like sofas and all. So and this is where you connect this to your tire. Okay, so it's cool, and it's time to test it out. So first things is how to connect the air inlet to your tire. So this has a plug over here, as you can see. So we'll just zoom in a little bit. Attach it like this, and when you just press inside, just lock the air inlet. Okay, so it has been locked now, and my car is on. So what you got to do is just on the compressor over here. So it makes a lot of noise actually. So let's test it out. Let's just begin. As you can see that there will be a meter reading over here. So slowly it's going to fill. So we are filling the air pressure up to 30 psi, 30 psi, and this guy is moving a lot and vibrating a lot, so we have to put it in place again. As you can see, the tire is slowly beginning to rise up. And I also have a Coido tire gauge to measure the tire pressure. So this will give you an accurate measure of the tire pressure inside. So we will just overinflate a little bit, and once we overinflate, then only we will release the pressure a little bit. Okay. So as you can see, it is beginning to rise up. It's around 10 right now. It's 20, I guess, and it will be 30 very soon. So once it's 30, it takes a lot of time to build up the pressure. So we'll just keep it below. You got to hold it because it will go here and there. The tire is beginning to rise, as you can see. So I think it will take around 3.5 minutes to make a pressure up to 30 psi. I think it's 30 now, as you can see. We'll just wait till 35 and then we'll remove it to 30. So we'll just wait till 35, and after once it's 35, we'll deflate it to 30. So it has crossed 30, as you can see. So a little bit more. The tire has been inflated, as you can see. So it's around 40 now. And it's time to switch it off. So it's 40. It shows 40, but let's see. Once you are done, what you got to do is remove the inlet. For removing the inlet, just put the knob like this and remove it. Okay, and you should do it quickly, or else you will lose the air pressure inside. So let's check out tire pressure over here, and so it's around 35. So we'll just deflate a little. We'll just check once again, and it's 32, I guess. Now it's 30. So our tire has been inflated. Okay, I'll show you the light on off feature as well. So this is the light. I want to turn on the light, flashlight. Just press this. So light is on. And if you just press this, light is off. So it's also good in emergency situations where you have a breakdown in the night. So that's how you use your Coido, and I think it's a very good product, and it's a must-have product if you are traveling for a long distance, as you can go to the nearest puncture shop if you're in case you have a tubeless tire. And I'll post the Flipkart and the Amazon link below in the description box. So thank you for watching and have a nice time. Thank you so much.